In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the char function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. The char function returns the character that represents the specified Unicode. Let's make examples to better understand how the function works. I am sending an integer value to the char function. The value 67 corresponds to the C character in the ASCII table. I want to print the word code. I can do this using the format feature. In the ASCII table, the value 111 corresponds to the character O. In the ASCII table, the value 100 corresponds to the character D. In the ASCII table, the value 101 corresponds to the character E. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the char function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.